mountain?
Oh, and get this.
Where rabbit you say?
Yeah, I can. Yes, I can.
Now's our chance to set a trap for Brad. Time to be moving along. It's time to be moving along. Time to be moving along. A little bit of time to be turning around. Hey, Brad.
Look yonder. There goes Brer Rabbit. Being chased by Brer Fox and Brer Bear. As usual.
Bear, I said it was mine, and I'm laughing. Don't you worry, Mr. Bluebird. I learned my lesson. I'm glad you made a homesick and sound this time, Brer Rabbit. Mr. Bluebird on my shoulder. It's the truth. It's the truth. It's actual. It's actual. Everything.
Disney? Okay, so we're stuck. Can't see anything because it's dark.
Pirates broke down.
Yeah, we were gonna ride Pirates and it broke.
We're moving backwards right now.
Yeah, we're going backwards. We were like all the way up there. And then we're back here because it went backwards. Probably gonna have to get off. Mommy says it's sinking. It's not.
Oh, it's not
No, I'm
sinking.
sinking over here.
This is shallow water.
It's shallow water.
Water's like 5 inches deep.
I'm just telling you, we're on a slant here.
Drop the phone.
Can't you reach any further, you stuck-winged Bill Trent? Here you go, dearie. Come on, have a nice birthday. That's a good lad. Come on.
You're in front of me.
Where we going?
Sanaa. I think in the winter squirrels store their nuts. The little
wintertime?
acorns. Yeah.
I think they do.
I just touched real. Well, I'm gonna touch a green, nice, good bamboo. This? Oh, I'm touching so much bamboo.
I want to have the specialty drink that I saw on the street.
Also, as far as margaritas, we have a plethora of them. We have the mango Malawi margarita, which is on the menu over here. That's our frozen margarita.
Yes.
Sanaa.
No, he got Christmas in a glass. What is that? Some kind of gingerbread martini.
Yeah. It's good.
Sorry, that's disgusting. Oh, the bread service is here. We have our bread service.
No. That's why I said this is a new and so.
Bread service. Okay, I'm gonna try a piece. I want to try a piece of the bread.
Alright, so starting on top, we have our spicy naan, garlic and ginger, followed by the traditional naan. The brown bread is your cheese bread, the paneer paratha. And on the very bottom is the onion and herb bread, the onion kulcha. We have 9 different sauces, the cucumber raita, mango chutney, tamarind chutney, tomato date jam. These 3 are sweet. The roasted red pepper hummus, pickled garlic, and coriander chutney are your 3 savory. Then we have the roasted red pepper, the pickled jalapeno garlic, pickled jalapeno, and then the red chili sambal. Your last 2 that are spicy.
You guys should be fine with all of them.
Wait, this one
Yeah,
is cheesy.
only those 2. So the rest of them will be fine.
Can I please start eating?
We can trade you one. I don't think it is.
This is
But
garlic.
please get to see if it's too spicy. What you want. Doesn't matter though.
You might as well move that over between you guys.
Let's do this. The taste. I think that's sweet ketchup.
Just take the bread up by
Well, I stopped. It's down. Down. Our food came. Down. Oh, Avery.
Which one?
So, how's the bread service?
Oh,
Good.
the garlic. I like the garlic one. Very good.
What sauce is that? Big cucumber.
I can't get to the hummus though.
Cucumber, eh?
Well, that's true.
Mix it. I'm gonna
I feel like the
try
garlic and the hummus
hummus
should be together.
and sweet ketchup.
Let's take this and garlic.
Okay, tell whenever it's good. Okay, I need the hummus. Mommy, I can't reach the hummus.
How's the bread tasting so far?
I don't like hummus though. Oh, that's good. Okay, for hummus and sweet ketchup, that's really good. Alright. Wait. Oh, no. I'm sorry. Hummus and cucumber. I just tried that. It's pretty good. Okay, hummus and cucumber is here. This might be upside down. Hummus and cucumber is good. Here. I think y'all can see us, maybe.
It's not like eating a salad bar. It's not what you think.
So we're gonna put the plates right here so we can show you.
Yeah, it's like
First,
the green should
we're
be.
gonna use this bread. Right, so me and Ava are gonna do this together. So we're gonna try different things together. We're gonna use this bread. This is my piece.
Yeah, there's basil.
I'm gonna my. Alright, red's good next. So we're gonna use the garlic. Sauce. I'm gonna use garlic sauce. This is spicy. Garlic.
The green one?
You get big piece. So, we're gonna try this sauce.
See, to me, that has no kick whatsoever.
Let me make sure.
The green one.
Wait, this bread. We made a new combination that tastes like honey. Yes. If you mix hummus mixed with this sauce, it tastes like honey. Here, I'll show you.
That was Elizabeth's invention. She found that.
I'm doing this first.
What else could I put this
So, we're going to use this bread. Then we're going to use cucumber sauce.
Yeah. Isn't that weird?
Mix.
I don't know.
Wait.
Right? It tastes like honey.
Cucumber.
Well, if I mix it with the green, that's gonna what? I'm mixing it with the green. Let's see what this is. Keep it the green.
Bread.
Keep it the green.
So, making cucumber started. Spicy bread is a little spicy, but still tastes good. The spicy bread is this one. What do you think?
Does it really taste like it? Or it smells like it?
I'll taste the
It's
bread.
like an essence.
You have to taste it with the red on it. Oh, it's spicy.
Rosemary.
I can't eat this. It's too spicy.
Yes, no. Rosemary tends to smell like Christmas.
I mean some lemonade.
But what I did notice is I haven't tried it, so really spicy. That's the whole game. If you mix one of the nice ones.
Alright, so we have our bread. We decided to do a green.
So the second least.
So put that on. Shake it. Alright, ready to taste it? Let's do this.
It's got like,
Go.
some like vegetables in it. It's good. Look, it's got like.
Oh, it's not good.
No. It's got
It's like
like a hard
hummus.
sleeve.
I'm gonna use this one. Wait, you rub it into your hand, and then
Rub it in and then rinse it off.
I might use too much. Yeah. I'll use this. Alright.
Now rinse.
I use this one. This one. Oh, good. Let's try this one.
I'm having a little sample here. Green, green,